When someone passes away, the executor is meant to manage the estate, pay debts, and distribute assets according to the will. But what happens when the executor refuses to act? It can leave beneficiaries frustrated, anxious, and uncertain about their inheritance. Take the case of Hannah. Her father had appointed a close friend as executor, but after probate was granted, the executor simply stopped communicating. Months went by. Bills weren't paid, and Hannah and her siblings had no idea when, or if, they would receive their inheritance. They were worried the estate would be mismanaged, but they didn't know what steps to take. In England and Wales, executors have legal duties. They must act honestly, diligently, and in the best interests of all beneficiaries. Refusing to act or delaying the estate without good reason can be challenged. There are several options available if you find yourself in this situation. The first step is usually formal communication. Writing a solicitor's letter to the executor can prompt action and, sometimes, resolves the issue without court involvement. If that doesn't work, the courts can be asked to intervene. Beneficiaries can apply to have an executor compelled to act, or in extreme cases, removed and replaced. The court will want evidence, so keeping a record of communications, delays, and any mismanagement is crucial. Another real-world example is Tom, whose mother's executor refused to distribute assets, claiming they were, too busy to deal with the estate. By instructing a solicitor and taking the matter to court, Tom was able to have a new executor appointed, and the estate was finally settled fairly and efficiently. It's important to act quickly. Estates can lose value over time, debts can accumulate, and family tensions can escalate. Seeking legal advice early ensures that you understand your rights, the options available, and the steps needed to protect the estate and your interests. An executor's refusal to act doesn't have to leave you powerless. With the right guidance, the law provides mechanisms to enforce duties, safeguard the estate, and make sure assets are distributed according to the wishes of the deceased. Blackstone Solicitors, protecting estates, resolving disputes, safeguarding legacies.